Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I brought an airdrop where you can use AI just like you use ChatGPT, Gemini and others to earn money. Yes, I'm talking about a project called Yupp AI. They've raised $33 million in huge funding and their status is confirmed, which is great. If you look at their investors, you will see top names like Andreessen and Coinbase Ventures. If you visit their X profile, you'll notice they have around 20,000 followers at the time of making this video. Also, if you scroll down, you'll notice they are really active here, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join this airdrop, first you need to visit their website. I'll provide the Telegram link in the description, so click that link and you'll land on this website. The first thing here is that you need to sign in with your Google account. The verification process will start. Now you'll see your Google account here. You need to choose your Google account. After that, it gives us a kind of demo. First, we need to enter any prompt here. For example, I'll ask a question, top 5 best cryptocurrencies in the world. Then we'll click enter. And we can see our search has started. After that, you'll see a result like this. Now here you see two different AI answers, so you need to choose one of these answers. Here I prefer this one. Then you must tell them why this response is better. So I'll select insightful. Write my feedback. And click on send feedback. After that we can see we get a scratch card. We'll scratch it and we can see we've got 5,000 points. Now you won't always get 5,000 points. As you keep scratching later, you'll get fewer points. This is because it's the first time, so they've given us 5,000 points. Now click on take me to the home page. Now we've reached the home page. Here we need to enter our basic details like country, age, education level and occupation. After that, we'll click on get started now. Done. Now the Yupp AI homepage has opened in front of us. Here we can enter any prompt or search for anything we want. Along with that, you also get the option for image generation here. You can click on it to generate images. Also, you can choose different models as well. If you click on the profile section, here you see your total Yupp credits. When it comes to cashing out, you simply need to click on cash out. Click on got it. After that, we can see that since our account is new, cashing out isn't available yet. Once you have 6,000 or more credits, you become eligible to cash out. Along with that, they provide a referral option, but generally no one has an invite code available, so there's not much hassle with referrals. If you work properly, here you can earn. Another great thing I like here is that you can choose your models. You'll find many AIs here. For example, here I'll choose this Gemini version and you can search anything you want. For each search, 50 credits will be deducted and you'll get your result here. Again, you need to give a review. And after giving the review, your points will increase again. As you can see, the points increase. Also, if you want, you can join their Discord as well for the latest updates and information. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.